Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable USB tethering on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, you will see first option is connection. Click on connection and click on mobile hotspot and tethering. After click on mobile hotspot and tethering, so you will see USB tethering is there. If you want to enable USB tethering, so turn on this button. After turn on this button and you will see USB tethering button is not appear. So insert USB. You will see. After insert USB, you will see USB tethering feature is appear. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable USB tethering on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.